제가 귀엽다고 느낀 적이 없는데
I never really thought I was cute. Well, it's just really the fans, the Minos that tells me that I'm cute, so siguro cute ako. But personally, I never really thought myself na cute ako.
Are you guys satisfied with his answer? Yeah! Hindi ko part na sa maingay. Hindi ba ito yung dito? When you listen to Stalker, is there a dance move that you instinctively do? And if ever, please teach us fans so that fans can follow along with it.
Ito na lang yung mga dalaw ko, ganito lang.
Okay na ba? Satisfied ba kayo dun sa mga?
Wala talaga.
무식하고 하지 않기 때문에 저도
Well, I don't really like, prepare the choreography. Parang impromptu kasi talaga to.
Oh, sige, sige. Later on, we will find out kung ano yung impromptu performances na may papakita sa atin. Ready ba kayo dyan? Yeah! Alright, perfect. Now, let's move on to our next question. Okay, among all the characters you play, which one resembles you the most in real life?
감정선을 저렇게 표현하는 것도 있기 때문에 모든 캐릭터에 다 조금씩 제가 감정을 것 같습니다.
I think all the characters that I portray, because syempre, each character I portray, there's a little bit of myself on it. Every time I have to do this emotional, I have to really show off the emotion line of it. So I guess all of it has a little bit of myself in it.
You guys agree?
Sigang ko lang sarili ko. Dito kami. Kaya may yung
Ano talaga, kasi may kanya-kanya kayo mga favorite characters na pinasama.
Grabe, pogi ang putik. Hoy, ang pogi! Pogi niya.
How about you guys? What kind of character is one of you really?
Go, jump yun! Okay na yung team time. Go, jump yun!
And family that, yes.
Kaya naman talaga mga palakasan ko ng kapala, kumbaga. Now, let's move on to the next question. Alright. Hindi ko alam kung paano niya ito gagawin. Can you express your MBTI in 4 facial expressions? Like, I or E, N or S, something like that.
그 필리핀에서도 MBTI를 많이 하잖아요.
Sikat din ba ang MBTI because of Pilipinas?
요새도 MBTI를 많이 보고
Kasi di ba ngayon marami nagtatanong ng MBTI? Facial expression.
뭔지 얘기하지 말고
So hindi ko sasabihin, huhulaan ba niyo?
Yes, hulaan natin. Hulaan natin. Let's go.
Sige, from the
Ate, ang boto niya talaga. Grabe.
그리고 그 다음에 뭐지?
Ano ba yung next? Ano ba yung iba?
N or S?
아니 계획형 아니
Cleansing. Wait lang na.
저 N이거든요. 네, N이 뭐예요?
Hindi ko kasi alam how to express.
N이요?
Ate, naman mo turuin dito, eh. Masyado ka pa sa Kaya na nga, alam mo rin siya.
Oo, I'm then intuitive talaga.
Oh, God!
Yan lang talaga ang pinaka-kaya ko.
I think so. Pwede na yun sa end, no? Napakahan natin siya sa end. Very good, very good.
다음에는 슈퍼.
I think magaling talaga yung next.
Yes, okay. Ano siya? Letter? Sa letra T. That's thinking, right?
ENT.
ENT, tama.
And the last letter is okay, okay.
P인데, 피로.
P, ako, pero paano ko kaya ito ipakita?
Nag-iisip siya, oy. Walang chat talaga.
I'm a P.
Okay, so you are ENTP.
네, ENT.
That's an innovator. Very good, ENTP. May mga ENTP ba dito? Okay, next question for the pinadala ng mga fans natin is, do you have personal advice on how to relieve stress? And how do you handle burnout? Do you have any tips that you would like to share with us?
일단은 잠이 제일 중요한 것 같습니다. 잘 자야 돼요.
I think sleep is most important. Kailangan talaga matulog kayo ng maayos.
True.
그리고 그전 어제 그제 15시간.
You know, I arrived 2 nights ago, and natulog ako ng napakahindi for 15 hours. I think bagay na bagay ako sa Pilipinas.
Kita namin.
Oh my gosh, so good na guys. Kapag stress kayo, and I agree, it's really sleep. You have to sleep very well. Alright! Nakapag-screen cap na ba ang lahat sa mga tanong at baka nakapag-picture na ba ang lahat? And also, very nice to see a new side of Minho. And of course, big thank you once again sa mga heroes na nagpadala ng questions in advance. Are you guys still having fun?
Yeah!
Perfect. Since we have successfully completed the mission for Star 8622, Minho has prepared a special gift for all of you, which we will find out. Alright, so this will be the first time since 2013 for you to perform this song live. Wow! It's a song that was very loved by Ninos even back then. And you will be singing.
네, Without You라는 노래 불러드리도록 하겠습니다.
I'll be singing Without You.
Without me? Talaga?
So, for me, to all of you.
Love you.